Let's start using the rectangle tool. The short key for accessing the rectangle tool is M. Up here, select the rectangle tool. Then move your mouse to the artboard and click where you want to start and relieve where you want to end. Hold Shift while doing so and all sides of the shape will be equal. The side's purple diagonal line is indicating that the shape is perfectly equal. Now with the selection tool you can quickly select the object and move it around. With the direct selection tool you can do the same thing, but it's a little bit more advanced because you can also move around different so-called anchor points. The short key for the selection tool is V, and for the direct selection tool is A. So as you can see right now, I'm moving all these anchor points to different locations to create different shapes.